What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. So in this video, I'm going to be slightly more aggressive about that subscribe button. So if you guys aren't subscribed and you're watching this video and you don't hit that subscribe button right now,
I will hold you captive, and you'll never be able to escape this video.
So, alright, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Here's my truck. You notice anything like strange? The only thing that shows up really well is that freaking third brake light. Now, I was on Amazon and I was looking at the brake lights, and all the reviews are kind of I wouldn't say misleading, but they're like yay or nay kind of thing. So some say they work, some say they don't, some say they leak, some say they don't. I'm gonna go in the garage because it's windy. So I didn't want to risk the chance of buying a third brake light and it leaking into the cab of my truck, ruining my headliner, or standing water on the ground, or it just completely suck, like it doesn't work or something like that. So this one works. It's not LED, but it is better than having some piece of junk that doesn't work. And also, Gotti's Garage merchandise at www.gottisgarage1.com. So pick up something. And then on the front, which I'll show you, so besides it being dirty on the front, the fog lights stand out. I mean, so does that light bar. So let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see me darken this LED light. So a cheap and effective way of blackening out your truck, regardless if you're trying to regardless if you're trying to do the murdered outlook, or you know a white truck and you want to blacken some things, adding some black to your vehicle always looks good, no matter the color. I don't think it's ever going to go out of style. You can pick up this VHT night shades. I'm sure everybody knows what that is. Everybody has used it. I haven't used it, but I'm going to use it today, and we are going to be blackening out that brake light. I'm just going to tape around it, tape as good as I can so you don't get no overspray or anything. Probably park my truck in a place where it's not windy. I could remove it. I bought the gaskets, but I'm afraid of it leaking. I really don't want it to leak. I don't want to take the chance if it's not leaking right now. So we'll just store the gaskets for the future in case it does start leaking, and we'll be able to replace it then. So I'm gonna go around that whole thing. We're gonna tape it up, and then we're gonna start spraying. I want it to be probably about as dark as my taillights. The windows are all gonna be tinted as well, so we're gonna be blacking that out, and then our black exhaust tips are coming next. So let me get it all set up. I'm gonna start taping, and then I'll keep you guys updated throughout the whole process. But this is a simple, easy, cheap way to improving the look of any vehicle. Like at all, like every vehicle. Alright guys, so I got you in the helmet cam now, or the head cam, so if I mess up you guys will know right away. So for this, it looks like you just clean off the thing really good, mask off surrounding areas, which we did. Temperatures between 60 degrees, which it's not. Shake can vigorously for 1 full minute, and then yeah, just like that. So apply 1 light coat or just enough to change lens color. Do not exceed more than 3 coats. All right, so let's go shake this thing up. So we're gonna go ahead and let that dry, see how that turns out, and then we're gonna start on the fog lights. So I'm gonna start taking those fog lights off. What's an expression that they say when you like completely fucked up? Do as I say, not as I do. Cause yeah, do as I say, not as I do. Now this one came out great. That one came out really nice, but the fog lights. So if you look at them from here, I guess they look pretty cool. They're completely blacked out, way darker than I wanted them to. I kind of wanted them to match the headlights, but that didn't happen. You see how crappy it is? So I'm not exactly sure what went wrong. I cleaned the lens. Maybe it's just too cold. I cleaned the lens really good. Even used some like brake clean to not dosed it in brake clean because that will start eating the plastic, but just on a rag so I can get some of the bug guts and stuff off that wouldn't come off. But then go ahead and start this thing. Turn all my lights on, and they look like ass. So we're definitely gonna be ordering some new. Fucking look at that! What the hell? It's like amber and everything else, and looks like shit. So won't be using those anymore, I guess. I have to order some new ones. Order some black ones. Definitely LED. But turned off, they look cool if you just don't put your face up next to it. And that actually turned out very well. So I see one little dot, but that's okay. I just wanted something that wasn't gonna bring attention to the back of the truck anymore. So let's go look at it again without any lights and pretty far away. You can't even tell really there's a light in there anymore. I'll put a little photo before, like a side-by-side comparison, so you can actually see the difference. But I guess it is what it is. We'll probably use the tint. On Amazon they make a light bar tint. I wanted to try that out, so we're gonna use that instead of this VHT stuff. I think maybe it's just too cold, I'm gonna guess. I don't like when shit doesn't go right. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this tape off. We're gonna put my tonneau cover back the way it goes, shut the tailgate to see if that third brake light popping, because it was the only thing that wasn't tinted, went away. Wish me luck, because this is not going well. So that actually looks way better. I'll do a little before and after again right here so you guys see the difference. But definitely, I mean, you look at my truck, pretty much any angle besides those tailpipes, everything is blacked out. Looks pretty good. I think in a future video we're going to change the mirrors. And this is the biggest bummer for me, but I mean, it doesn't look good. I hope it picks it up on camera. I'm shooting this in 4K, so it should. What the heck? That's kind of creepy. What the hell? But let me know if you guys want to see me tint that, because I think that'll look good too. Definitely bring the shine down, but the whole point is to murder this truck out, and it's coming along pretty well. So I guess things that you don't know about this truck. As you can tell, it has a shattered windshield, but that is going to be replaced. And then when that gets replaced, we're going to get these windows tinted. We're going to go 5% all the way around, and then we're going to go 35% on the windshield. These factory tinted windows, they pretty much put like I think it's 20% on it to make 5%, and then he would put 5% right here on this window, and the whole windshield as 35% once I get that replaced. Same with the back. So you're not even going to be able to see inside the truck. Blacked out. And I've been thinking about debadging. Let me know what you guys think, because this red is really the only thing that stands out. Maybe this little silver piece right here on this antenna. This thing's like almost broke though. And then we're gonna be doing wheel spacers. Those are coming soon. I just had to fix a stud on one of my wheel spacers. But this truck has a 2.5-inch leveling kit from Max Speeding Rods. They sent that to me. You can use my discount code if you want that. We have the light bar that another company sent to me. You can go back to one of my videos and check that video out. Then we just did the blacked out. Headlights came with this truck. I don't know if they're factory, if the owner before me did that. I just did slotted and ported rotors on the rear. We'll be doing the front as well. We got all my Gotti's Garage stuff, you know, advertising the channel. And then I did buy new lights, LED lights. The ones that came with it, they just weren't dark enough, they're too shiny. So I went and got a smoked lens with a black housing. We got the smoked license plate. Gonna be doing the exhaust tips. And then all LED lights around, which I have a video on my channel as well as that. All my headlights are LEDs, canvas friendly. But I think this truck is turning out nice. It's looking great. And we're gonna go ahead and get some glamour shots for this so you guys can see it in the beginning of the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you guys stay different, and I'll see you guys next time.